So what are people living here planning to do?
I have no idea, really.
Gator, number one!
Wingwood, so artsy, so bohemian, so colorful, so vibrant, so trendy, so different.
My name's Aaron, here visiting Wynwood. Second time here, was here about 3 years ago. Definitely the area wasn't nearly as developed as it is here now. It definitely seems that there's more of like a community here and it kind of has its own vibe.
My name is Matthew. First time in Wynwood, not first time in Miami. My experience has been really enjoyable. Like, there's a lot of art and a lot of different people. So it kind of gives me a New York feel without even being there. I will definitely come back.
Okay, so they don't know where Andy is. Does anyone?
Say that again.
No.
No.
You don't? No.
There's a lot of gentrification going on in Miami. People who are lower income or senior citizens are being displaced. So houses that used to go for $200,000 or $300,000 are now going for $800,000, $900,000, $1 million. This is really, really a problem for people who have lived in poor neighborhoods for a long time and now they're going to be displaced. People who have been living near the water for a long time are now concerned about sea level rise.
It comes in waves and it flows, and your three options are ride the wave, swim in the wave, or drown.
Wynwood was maybe 10 or 15 years ago a place that had a lot of warehouses with auto repair shops, with factory spaces, and then with a lot of empty buildings. And also just the way that Wynwood has now become essentially the next South Beach. So lots and lots of shops and restaurants. There's a lot of commercialization.
Ahora como están haciendo unos nuevos edificios, la gente se está mudando para acá y toda la gente que antes vivía aquí como que ya no aparece. Se han quedado sin hogar. Sí, los precios han subido como creo que 15%, pero aquí en esta calle y en las calles más para atrás, para adelante, hay mucho turismo, mucho turismo. Han sacado muchos de los homeless porque ahorita está llegando más gente, hay más seguridad y no pasan tantas cosas feas.
This area didn't have modern aviation facilities, expensive to stockpile, to him, fast enough to keep his operation running. Made to be spent on their way to florists and markets throughout the country, even before the dew fades from their petals. Strawberries, plump, luscious.